Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Priya and today we are solving a very important and commonly asked interview problem on LeetCode called merge sorted error. So this problem uses the two pointer technique. So let's get started. The problem says that you are given two sorted array nums1 and nums2 and you need to merge nums2 into nums1 as one sorted array. Okay, so nums1 has enough space to hold all the elements it's given inside the node. And now let's take an example. Here nums1 is 1 2 3 0 0 0 and m equals 3 and nums2 equals 2 5 6 and n equals 3. Basically m is the number of elements in the nums1 and n is the number of elements in the nums2. That's why it's 3. So the output should be 1 2 2 3 5 6. Basically it's the merged and the sorted version of the both the array. So the key idea is we use three pointer where I will point the last elements of nums1 which is a valid part, and j points to last element of nums2 and k points to last position of nums1. So we fill from the back to avoid overwriting values. So now let's implement this in our code. Here we will initialize three pointers from the end where int I equals m minus 1, int j equals n minus 1, int k equals m plus n minus 1. So these are three pointers from the end. And now we will run a while loop having a condition I greater than equals to 0 and j also greater than equals to 0. Sorry, I have to write j. Now here comes our if condition. If nums1 at I is greater than nums2 at j, then nums1 at k equals to nums1 at I. I hope I didn't make any typing error. Now we will decrement I and take element from the nums1 in this condition. Now here comes the else condition. Else nums1 at k equals nums2 at j. Here we will decrement j and here our loop. After all these conditions we will decrement k as well. Now our while loop ends and now we will run another while loop so to check if any element left in nums2. While j greater than equals 0, nums1 at k equals nums2 at j. Now we will decrement j as well as k. So yeah, that was our code. Let's try to run it. Okay, so let me explain it quickly. So first I initialize three pointers from the end of both array. I compare elements from the back and place the larger one at the end of the nums1, and this avoids overwriting existing elements. And finally, and if any element remain in nums2, I copy them. So let's submit it. Accepted. So here the time complexity is big O of m plus n and the space complexity is big O of 1, which is constant. So yeah, that's how you merge two sorted arrays using two pointer approach. This is a very important interview question and a classic example of in place merging. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.